Welcome to this video on KVL and AC circuit. The KVL says the sum of the potential rise and drop is equal to 0, and here is the equations. You also can write the KVL like E equals V1 plus V2 plus blah 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 to Vn, and they are the same. Take this for examples. We can get V1 equals to 7 volts by calculations. And so, how about the V2 and the V3? First, we should find the loop. And here is the first loop. And we can write E equals V1 plus V2 and get V2 equal to 3 volts. And the same with the V3 and also equal to 3 volts. And of course, KVL can be used in AC circuits, but it not simply does addition or subtraction with any form, because there are different writing forms for AC voltage. It can only be used with rectangular form. So, how to convert between them? Let's talk about the waveform to phasor form first. Take this for example. We should find the RMS voltage first, so that's 100 volt. Then just copy the phasor from the waveform, and we can get our phasor form, or called polar form. How about the polar form and the rectangular form? Let's use the last example. And here's equations. And it's quite similar with the complex number. And here is the graph. The C here is equal to 100 volt. And if we want to know x and y, we should use these equations. Then we can get our answers. And how about the rectangular form? According to the diagram, we have already known x and y, and we want to know C, our voltage. Just use the equations, we can easily get the answer. That's very simple. Now we know how to do conversion between these three forms. Let's look at the KVL in AC. FE equals to 240 volts and V1 equals to 220 volts. Does V2 equals to 20 volts? Of course not. Like I said before, we can only do addition or subtraction with the rectangular form. So, let's find the rectangular form first, and here's the rectangular form by using equation. Then do subtractions, and here's the answers. And if you want, you can convert them to polar form or waveforms, whatever you like. And that's all today. Thanks for watching.